thinking about renting out your personal residence? Whether you're exploring real estate or holding off on selling, turning your home into a rental can be a smart financial move when it's done the right way. Here are 7 essential steps to get your home rent ready. Number 1. Remove personal belongings. Residents expect a clean, empty space, not leftover furniture or decor. Number 2. Fix any known issues. Small problems you've lived with can quickly become frustrations for new residents. Address them before listing. Number 3. Repaint if needed. Neutral tones and durable finishes like eggshell help your home feel clean, modern, and move-in ready. Number 4. Schedule a professional cleaning. A thorough deep clean makes your home more appealing and sets expectations for your resident. Number 5. Professionally clean the carpets. Skip rental machines. Use a truck-mounted steam cleaner to get the job done right. Number 6. Plan for a final touch-up clean. Showings create mess. A last-minute clean helps your home shine on move-in day. Number 7. Prepare the keys. Provide multiple copies and consider rekeying all locks to the same key for simplicity. Feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. T&H Realty Services can help you prepare, lease, and manage your rental professionally and efficiently.